I didn't even see
Does
no
she have
drugs.
any more drugs?
Huh?
Does she have any more drugs?
If I tell you where the rest of the drugs that you're going to let me out the handcuff?
The answer to this question is no, because a police officer does not have the authority to reduce your sentence. Although a police officer could tell the court that you were being cooperative, so for them to consider that during the sentencing stage, ultimately, the person who makes the recommendation for your sentencing is the state attorney. And that recommendation is given to the judge. And if the judge says no, then it's a no. But if the judge says yes, then yes. So I wouldn't bank my innocence on a possibility that I could get a lenient sentence. I would just keep my mouth shut. Also know that since the judge is the one making this decision while you're getting arrested or something is happening, the judge has not said yes to this yet. So you're just telling them things just to make it easier for the police officer to do their job, really. And you need to know that the police is not your friend. They're not here or coming to help you do anything. They're coming to arrest you, charge you, and prosecute you. So keep your mouth shut. Also, be aware that law enforcement officers, aka police officers, are allowed to lie and mislead people during interrogation in order to obtain admission or information. An example of one of these tactics would be when a police officer tells someone that their partner has already confessed, coercing them to confess. Or when they claim that they have a specific evidence against you, and of course, promising you lighter sentence, which is the one we saw in this video, is another tactic. Another tactic will be during interrogations, having you stay there for hours and hours and hours and hours and hours. Some people get so frustrated with all the pressure that most people confess crimes they have not committed. So do not volunteer information to the police, information that they don't have, information to help them win a case against you. They are not your friend or family. They are not there to help you. They are there to find all the evidence in order to prosecute you and take away your freedom. So keep quiet, don't say anything, don't help. As a disclaimer, the people in this video are not real. This person is not a real police officer. I chose this video because I want to educate you guys, because I see this very often. This happens frequently enough to where I want to educate you guys. So if in life you were to be confronted with something like this, you will know how to deal with it and you will know how to handle it properly. Know that you do not have to disclose anything that's going to harm you to the police officer. Also, as a disclaimer, this does not constitute legal advice. If you require legal advice, please consult an attorney. Although I am an attorney, I am not yours, and I don't know the facts and circumstances of your particular case. Thank you.